Chris of Prestige Auto Sales here, and I've got two little spark plugs in front of me, and these are two excited ladies. So introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about what's going on in your experience with Prestige and my teammate Alita.
Well, my name is Deanna.
Yes.
And well, I was trying to get a vehicle with no credit, not even bad credit. I had no credit, so new credit to say. And at first I, was down on my luck, didn't think that I'd be able to find something, kept searching. And I came across Prestige, and one of the reviews pointed out to me, all in bold, about how they help people with no credit, bad credit, new credit. So I figured I'd give them a shot. Sure enough, they had multiple vehicles that were lovely. Yeah. And Aaliyah was the best to help me.
She was awesome.
She's amazing.
She is amazing.
From a 5.
Thank you.
I love it.
Side note, anybody seeing this looking for help, Alita's your girl.
She is. She'll definitely help you out and make some magic work for you all, and have that faith in there to,
But it's a little bit nervous trying to get a car loan for the first time with
no
experience. And you'd looked around, you'd been other places, looked online?
I did. I looked at a few, and I just got denied. They didn't have anything. They couldn't work with me, so...
Et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, it was...
So, and you found us on Google, did you say?
Yes, I found you guys on Google.
Alrighty. And you two, as I mentioned earlier, it was just so much fun. I could just see you guys being sisters.
Yeah,
Awesome.
great. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, well, congratulations
Thank
again.
you so much.
Thanks for swinging by. Congratulations.
Thank